Subaru gets. Oh god, this is bad. And good afternoon. Today on Janky Drivers we got. Who do we got?
You got me.
We got me too. What up? What up, doggo? Do not lick the lens. Do not lick the lens. But I love you. I love you. Look at me. I love you. And I'm loving you.
What are we doing today? This pile of crap broke. Ran over too big of a speed bump in Seattle. Looks fine, looks fine, looks fine, looks fine. Until... Oh, it's still dripping, dude. Oh, it's just gashed. Yeah. Rip. 6 quarts oil gone.
Look at how much
Broken
oil's on
oil
the
pan. Whole thing. Ooh, action. We have action. We got a oil pressure gauge by Glow Shift. An oil temperature gauge by them as well. Got the filter. Got me sandwich plate. Sick. We got to do the engine oil. We're using diesel stuff because it's, I don't know. We're putting this into the rear diff. Oh, where's my synchro mesh? So we got synchro mesh. Wow, that is. Well, it's not. Okay, well, whatever. Rear diff. It's 0.8 quarts, so we're going to put 0.5 in and add a little synchro mesh to that. Tranny, we're going to do 3.5. These are all the same. We're going to do 3.5 and then half. Silver Honda SUV, dude. Anyway. Wow, someone's really getting pulled over, dude. I'm trying to get these corn nuts, dude. I'm a squirrel. Installed installed the boost gauge because I had this in it, but it didn't light up. Installed that. And then I installed this instrument kind of cluster gauge holder. Right now Bunster's in there, but we're going to put the oil pressure and oil temp here. Move the boost gauge from here to here just because I can't see between 0 and 10 psi. Not that it matters really, but and then stick Bunster back there. That should be it. Can you see it?
Yeah, it's just like drenched. It's
the
just
entire
all.
bottom of the car is drenched in oil. So is the back too.
Yeah,
It's washed off a bit, but
that's bad.
yeah.
Ambassador. Now we got a janky update. What are you brake cleaning for?
Just the entire thing.
The amount of oil that's
The entire car is just
it's still dripping, dude.
There you go.
Did you get the sway bar off?
Yeah.
What about the right one?
I got part of it off.
I am doing some wiring right now. The preparation of the gauges. Ugh. So right now, I've got these crimped on. I have to do the last one. Some reason when I wired them and strung that around the wire, it started to melt. Can you see that? Please see that. Anyway, it started soldering itself right here. You can still see the strips over here, but it started to become one wire there. Not sure if that's good because I'm going to be using 3 of those wires to a male connector right here, and then connecting the male connector to the female connectors. Alright, I cut some of the back of the electrical tape. I'm going to be stripping some of this wire just a little bit. Well, no, it should be alright. I think these are heat shrink, so I'm going to shrink these. I just wanted to strip some back so I could see the color of the wires, and then we should be fine. You janky ready?
Very.
Alright, I'll take the oil pan off.
Staying nice and clean.
Right there we got a
flathead wedged into that. Oh! My goodness. Pull. Woohoo!
Progress. Oh yeah.
No shavings?
Oh god. Look at this guy.
Oh, dude!
Woo! That's a work.
Wait, pull that out.
No, I'm gonna bring
Just
this
the camera.
Oh god. That's so bad.
Look.
Oh my god.
Oh.
And look at these, look at this one.
Jeez, dude. Is that straight up
So
metal?
Bad. Yep, those are chunks of metal. Oh my god. I gotta send a video to Harrison.
Look at all this, dude.
Holy crap. That's
Like
so bad.
straight up.
Put that down here. Look, let me see. Oh geez, what the fuck is it doing? The heck?
Just casually use his channel grips to. Oh, well, that was loose.
Do not do this at home.
Yeah, honestly, dude.
Okay, that's not gonna drip.
That's not gonna
That's
drip.
never gonna drip.
All right, so we got the got the oil pan with the gasket,
Oh,
two
yeah.
gaskets.
Sensors. No, one gasket.
One
There's a
gasket.
sealer.
How much does this car require? 6
5.5.
quarts? Oh, okay.
No, 5.3, but I'm putting 5.5 because it's gonna need 5.5. I'm gonna unplug the coils before I start it because I fogged the cylinders
Oh, really?
and
I have no idea what that means. About to get my OBD2. Oh, wait. Wait, no, I can get it.
wow, I was leaving left my light on for like an hour.
Can't see anything. Thank you, Subaru. There it is, my OBD2 reader. There it is.
It's warm.
No! Oh my goodness. Can't believe I dropped that. Huh? Unplug what? Wait, no. Bummer. Dude, let's start it.
Yeah, okay, I gotta keep up my streaks.
You don't care about streaks, dude. Is it with? I'm bleeping that out. I'm bleeping that out. I'm bleeping that out too. Alright, it's the moment of truth.
Wait, make sure no wires or anything wrong. If you go up to the front and holler if anything's going wrong.
Yep, you have to close the door first.
Would you go around that?
No, I'm too fat.
Step over.
I'm
You
too.
can't step over
I-
that.
Ah! Ah!
Alright, is he ready?
Oh no, it's smoking. What?
Let me put the keys in.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep. Is that rod knock?
That was so bad.
Was that
That was
rod knock?
possibly the-
Oh, it's smoking. Not even kidding, dude. It's smoking.
Oh my god.
Did you run into rod knock?
Oh my god.
You cooked it, dude.
Do you have your video on right now?
Yes. That got all on camera.
Oh my goodness. That is so bad. That's just fogging oil.
But it's
That was rod knock.
that was
really
straight up
bad.
rod knock, dude.
Take two.
Take two. That sounded so bad.
Alright, yell if anything looks like it's gonna go wrong.
All right. There we go. Never mind.
That was so bad.
Was that wasn't rod knock?
That was
it?
rod knock.
Was it really?
Yeah, that was all rod knock.
All right. Good morning, janky drivers. I have successfully installed the pressure, the temp, boost. It looks like a.
Successfully woken me up long before I've had my 10 hours of sleep.
You can be nice, okay? You can be nice.
Kaboom.
Wait. Get that fuel pump primed. Please don't stall. This stalls. Don't stall. It's stalled! We got the leaf blowers outside.
The bottom of your car smells like the Seattle to Bainbridge Ferry.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's a good thing, I assume. We're getting the breaker bar to undo the tranny oil.
Break my fingers.
Oh, that's nasty, dude.
That's not gold.
That is not gold at all. You see metal shavings?
You have no idea. That's all metal.
That is not
Wait,
good.
get a side view of it. Look at how tall it is.
Is it hot?
No. Mmm.
That's from that person who put it into reverse after going from fifth. That is bad, dude. That is so bad.
Why to not power shift? Oh, there's a washer in there. When you put this back on, make sure there's a washer.
Yeah. That is so bad, dude. Oh, it just, no.
Don't get a splinter.
A metal splitter, dude. That's just so bad. I don't like this, dude. I don't like it at all.
Don't like you.
So, dude, it's a pyramid. Oh, rip in peace, dude. Rip in peace.
Yeah. Sure, what are you doing? Because I have no idea what you're doing. Gotta cut this.
Okay, you know what? I've never done a tranny fluid switch. Fluid change. See, as you can see, I can't even open the bottle. But I can open the knife.
Stabs himself.
That's good enough right now.
He's got 2 shots of NOS.
2 shots of 170 shots of
I'm currently washing my car because that is a great use of my time.
Oh, did you show them how much shavings were in the thing?
I don't
Show
remember.
it right there. That's how many. That's the shavings.
Some of the extra metal shavings that came
It's
out
right
of the
there and
transmission.
there.
Very healthy. That is what a gear looks like. Where's the crack part of my oil pan? Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
This is what an oil
Go
pan
to the
is
back.
not supposed
The
to
back
look
has
like.
bigger cracks.
What do you mean, like down here?
No, over here.
No. Well, oh yeah, there's another crack right there. Healthy.
Hey guys, so that's the end of the video. We got the gauges installed. We did the transmission fluid and the differential fluid. Overtopped them, so I had to kind of siphon them out. Ingesting transmission fluid, I've come to realize, is quite disgusting, and so is engine oil. We got the oil pan installed in Christoph's car, and it's working fine according to him. So we got the gaskets in and the oil pan in, the oil filter. Did all of that, and it's running just fine. I didn't have time to make a video to install the mud flaps, but I got some rally armor, mud flaps, and although my wheels stick out further than the mud flap, the wheels only kicked up debris. I don't know if you can see it, but from here, just right there, so it's not a big issue. Before, if you've seen all the photos on Instagram, it used to come up all the way to the mirror too. This is just tar. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.